The Congress has today alleged that the Wikipedia pages on Jawaharlal Nehru, India's first Prime Minister, and his forefathers were altered from a central government IP address.
A deliberate, sinister and malicious attempt was made yesterday to alter the Wikipedia pages of first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, former President of Indian National Congress and his father, Pandit Motilal Nehru, and his father, Pandit Gangadhar, by showing or attempting to show that their lineage was not the Kauls of Jammu and Kashmir, but lineage of the first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, was Muslim. What makes the case even worse, that this was done from a government ID. What is even more intriguing and sinister is the fact that this attempt was done not only from a government ID and internet protocol with government address, but was done from NIC, the National Informatics Center, or the software solution provider of Government of India. Indian National Congress demands that as on one hand Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi is launching Digital India, on the other hand agency responsible for Digital India is altering the lineage of the first Prime Minister of India, former Congress presidents and their ancestors. Will Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi answer to the nation how was Internet Protocol ID of Government of India and NIC was being used for this sinister and malicious attempt? Will Prime Minister and the Minister in charge answer whether such a sinister attempt was being made with their consent and concurrence? We demand a full inquiry and we want Prime Minister and the IT Minister to answer, as also lodge a criminal case under the necessary provisions of Information Technology Act, Indian Penal Code. NIC, IT Minister and Prime Minister must not only apologize to the nation, but must also take the necessary corrective measures.
Powered by NNIS.